Hello children, this is Shruti, your social science teacher from Pramati Hillview Academy. Welcome back to your geography class. In today's class, let us learn about a very important concept of geography, that is about manufacturing industries. First of all, children, what do you mean by the term manufacturing, or what is manufacturing? Production of goods in large quantities by processing raw materials to more valuable products is called manufacturing. And do you know, children, manufacturing industries fall in the secondary sector. People employed in the secondary activities manufacture the primary materials into finished goods. The workers employed in steel factories, car, breweries, textile industries fall into this category. Do you know, children, how the economic strength of a country is measured? The economic strength of a country is measured by the development of manufacturing industries. Okay, children, below this concept manufacturing industries, we are going to discuss 8 main topics. They are importance of manufacturing, the first topic; contribution of industry to national economy, the second topic; industrial location, the third topic; classification of industries, the fourth topic; agro-based industries, the fifth topic; mineral-based industries, the sixth topic; miscellaneous industries, the seventh topic; industrial pollution and environmental degradation, the eighth topic. Now, in today's session, we will learn the first 4 topics, such as importance of manufacturing, contribution of industry to national economy, industrial location, and the classification of industries. Come children, let us learn the above said topics one by one. Now, let us begin with the first topic, that is importance of manufacturing. Manufacturing sector is very important and is considered as the backbone of development. Do you know why, children? Manufacturing sector is very important and is considered as the backbone of development because manufacturing industries help in modernizing agriculture, which forms the backbone of our economy. Manufacturing also reduces the heavy dependence of people on agricultural income by providing them jobs in secondary and tertiary sectors. Industrial development helps in removal of unemployment and poverty. It also aims at bringing down regional differences by establishing industries in tribal and backward areas. Export of manufactured goods expands trade and commerce and brings in much needed foreign exchange. Countries that transform their raw materials into a wide variety of furnished goods of higher value are prosperous. India's prosperity lies in increasing and diversifying its manufacturing industries. Agriculture and industries move hand in hand. On one hand, many industries like sugar, textile, etc. depend on agricultural products. On the other hand, many industrial products help in increasing agricultural productivity. Industries in India have given a major boost to agriculture by raising its productivity. Many industries depend on agriculture for raw materials and sell their products such as irrigation pumps, insecticides, PVC pipes, machines and tools to the farmers. Thus, development and competitiveness of manufacturing industry has not only assisted agriculturists in increasing their production but also made production processes very efficient. Now, let us move on to discuss the second topic, that is contribution of industry to national economy. During the last 20 years, the share of the manufacturing sector has stayed at 17% of GDP. This is much lower than some East Asian economies where it is 25 to 35%. The desired growth rate over the next decade is 12%, which has been around only 7% in the last decade. However, since 2003, manufacturing is once again growing at the rate of 9 to 10% per annum. To develop the sector of manufacturing industries, government has developed different policies. With this objective, government has set up the National Manufacturing Competitiveness Council, that is NMCC. The National Manufacturing Competitiveness Council has been set up by the Government of India to provide a continuing forum for policy dialogue to energize and sustain the growth of manufacturing industries in India. The different industries also renewed their efforts to improve productivity. With appropriate policy interventions by the government and renewed efforts by the industry to improve productivity, economists assume that sector of manufacturing will achieve its target over the next decade. Now, let us discuss the third topic, that is industrial location. Industrial locations are complex in nature. These are influenced by availability of raw material, labor, capital, power and market facilities. It is rarely possible to find all these factors available at one place. Consequently, manufacturing activity tends to locate at the most appropriate place where all the factors of industrial location are either available or can be arranged at lower cost. After an industrial activity starts, urbanization follows. An industrial activity is always followed by urbanization. Sometimes industries are located in or near the cities, thus industrialization and urbanization go hand in hand. Cities provide market to the industry. They also provide services such as banking, insurance, transport, labor, consultants and financial advice. Many industries tend to come together to make use of the advantages offered by the urban centers known as agglomeration economies. Gradually, a large industrial agglomeration takes place. Actually, agglomeration economies occur when the larger market, lower transportation costs and other benefits outweigh the added expenses of working in a city. In the pre-independence period, most manufacturing units were located in places from the point of view of overseas trade such as Mumbai, Kolkata, Chennai, etc. Consequently, there emerged certain pockets of industrially developed urban centers surrounded by a huge agricultural rural hinterland. The key to decision of the factory location is the least cost, and government policies and specialized labor also influence the location of industry. Now it's time to discuss the fourth topic, that is classification of industries. Industries are classified on the basis of the following criteria. The first one, on the basis of raw materials used. On the basis of raw materials used, industries are classified into agro-based industries and mineral-based industries. Agro-based industries like cotton, woolen, jute, silk textile, rubber, sugar, tea, coffee and edible oil. Mineral-based industries like iron and steel, cement, aluminium, machine tools, petrochemicals. The second one, on the basis of role played by them. On the basis of role played by them, industries are classified into basic or key industries and consumer industries. Basic or key industries. Industries which supply their products as raw materials to other industries are known as basic or key industries. For example, iron and steel, copper smelting, aluminium smelting. Consumer industries. Industries which produce goods for direct consumer use are called as consumer industries. For example, sugar, paper, toothpaste, sewing machines, fans, etc. The third one, on the basis of capital investment. On the basis of capital investment, industries are classified into small scale industry and large scale industry. Small scale industry. Industries with investment up to 1 crore. Large scale industry. Industries with investment above 1 crore. The fourth one, on the basis of ownership. On the basis of ownership, industries are classified into public sector, private sector, joint sector and cooperative sector. Public sector, owned and operated by government agencies. Private sector industries are owned and operated by individuals or a group of individuals. Joint sector industries are jointly run by the state and individuals or a group of individuals. Cooperative sector industries are owned and operated by the producers or suppliers of raw materials, workers or both. They pool in the resources and share the profits or losses proportionately. The fifth one, on the basis of the bulk and weight of raw material and finished goods. On the basis of the bulk and weight of raw material and finished goods, industries are classified into heavy industries and light industries. Heavy industries. Industry in which large machines and heavy or bulky raw materials are used to produce products which are heavy or bulky, including capital goods like automobiles and construction machinery. Light industries. Industries that produce light utility goods are known as light industries. For example, electrical industries. So in today's session, we have learnt about the topics like importance of manufacturing, the first topic, contribution of industry to national economy, the second topic, industrial location, the third topic, and classification of industries, the fourth topic, below the concept of manufacturing industries. To recapitulate, children, production of goods in large quantities by processing raw materials to more valuable products is called manufacturing. The economic strength of a country is measured by the development of manufacturing industries. Manufacturing sector is very important and is considered as the backbone of development. Agriculture and industries move hand in hand. To develop the sector of manufacturing industries, government has developed different policies. Industrial locations are complex in nature. Industries are classified on the basis of different criteria, such as on the basis of raw materials used, on the basis of role played by them, on the basis of capital investment, on the basis of ownership, and on the basis of the bulk and weight of raw material and finished goods. I hope all of you have understood the concept, children. In our next class, let us learn more about the concept manufacturing industries. Meet you in the next class. Take care and thank you, children.